Hello, myself Hamil Patel. Today we're gonna show you how to build a AI chatbot for your Shopify or any other website in a very cheap option. If you purchase the chatbots from the some third party plugins in the Shopify, then it costs you like $100, $200 per month if the product quantity is high. If you have high amount of products, then I give you the only one and best option. And also I provided the link for the sign up, so you can easily click that, and it is fully customizable with almost hundreds of thousands of products. So let's go to the chatbots option and go to create the new chatbot. So you can complete this job within a few minutes. So let's go to create option. This is our dashboard. So main, this is the greeting message. It's same for all the website, like it's a e-commerce or normal one. And this is the objective. So we have like a Shopify store, then you need to some add some another objectives. So go to the ChatGPT. So type I want new Directive for my Shopify store. So type this one and enter it. It give you the new directive for your store. Okay, so I just copy this one and paste here. We don't need to remove this one. You can easily put new one here. It's not a big problem. And save the changes. Option like review button, how it's look on PC, how it's look on mobile. Go to the second one. You have to add the knowledge for your chatbots. So if you have like a bunch of products, thousands of products, so go to your Shopify, go to the product section and go or select all and just import, sorry, and just export one all the products CSV for Excel and export products. I already have the CSV file, so go to the chatbot and add the first knowledge source. So like first of all, just give the web page URL, public URL. Like in my case, I have this domain. So put here and continue. If you crawl this link for all sub pages, then click mark it, like crawl the other pages like about us page and other collection page. So continue this one. I have password in the Shopify store, so it giving you password sub page, but I don't want this, so I add the one source, add another source of like put that CSV file which contain file which contain product information. I already have, so I just put in here. Okay, it uploading, add source, go to the logic section. So what is the logic for this chatbot? If you have Shopify, then your logic is to like sell the products more and give the best suggestion for your visitors. And if you are like a service based website, then it like you collect the leads. You can first create collect the leads like tags, like name, email, phone. If don't want company, should remove that. And if you have Shopify, then remove the phone. You can like use this one in your old email setup at creating. First, our logic is to collect the leads, and I also redirecting to the new tables. This data also automatically added in this table. It's generated automatically. Okay, so I don't need any. If you like to remove this, then no problem. So another logic like a link button. If you are providing the services, then like if I have calendar link, so I put in my calendar link here. Okay, type I want to schedule meeting, so it providing the schedule meeting. Main option is like a theme, it adding here. So check that. Okay, my photo here And also I want to put my company logo here, so go to this file, go to that documents, and this one also so see that adjective media logo here. You can also put logo link URL here. Okay, so if you want to change this button, so it also has the option. I have this chatbot logo, so I put in here, it automatically added here. So first of all, just put this chatbot in your website. Click on this share button, and then after embedded, and then pop up. As per my suggestion, use pop-up option and copy this embedded code. So you need to go to the Shopify or any other website. You'll then go to the WordPress, Squarespace, Webflow, and go to the theme file editor. For the Shopify case, go to online store and then theme option, and go to the edit code section. Go to the footer.liquid, scroll to the last, and put that copy code here and save button. Okay, it's saved. It's saved here. Okay, automatically display your greeting message. Like if you click here, then it automatically create a pop-up. You can also change as per your branding. If you have orange color branding, then you can click here orange button, and it converted to the orange. And if you have like dark theme, then you can easily select here dark theme here. And then after, if you want to integrate this chatbot with your CRM, then you can easily do here while build from scratch here. And if you are thinking about prices and at 14 days free trial, if you want to add a 3 or 4 option here, so go to the chatbots, go to the logic, and go to the last option suggestion. Created this and create the logic. Okay, and then after, go to the your stock. So it like asking the name and email. Of course, we added a collect leads option, and at this you see that collect this lead at the beginning. No, never do that, because some users like me close this chatbot. So select here after a few messages, okay, and save the button. Refresh the brand new page, because sometime it creating the cookies. So scroll and then open the chatbot, keep you which is base caller in your company. So it asking base, and it giving you very fast reply. It also providing the description, site option, image, link to product. Okay, so you can also redirect. Maybe it is the best chatbot for the Shopify, because it is a very cheap option. Also, you can book a meeting with me for the custom AI automation need. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.